You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Choosing One Learning Platform, and I want to encourage you to watch all our videos. It is a great avenue on your part to learn. And if you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now. All you need to do is to locate the subscription button, click on it, and make sure that you set the notification button on, so that anytime that we upload video, you will be aware. Today's topic is cone. Today's topic is cone, and I want to encourage you to watch my previous videos on solid shapes, where I explain and solve relevant examples on a cube, a cuboid, a sphere, a cylinder, and likewise hemisphere. So today's topic is cone. What is a cone? How can I identify a cone? What are the properties of a cone? A cone is a solid shape with curved body, circular base, and a pointed end. This sector can be folded to form a cone, and this is how a cone looks like. And I want to encourage you as well, at the end of this video, make sure that you don't log out. Watch all the pictures that will be displayed on your screen. The curved surface area for a cone is pi RL, and the total surface area is area of circular base plus curved surface area, pi r squared plus pi RL. And if you take note, you will discover that both pi and r are the common factor. So you bring it out, and by the time we bring out pi r, we are going to have r plus l in brackets. And the value of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. Note that the slant height, this L that we are talking about, the slant edge, is r squared plus h squared. I don't know whether you remember Pythagoras theorem, where we talks about the size of a triangle. Hypotenuse squared is equals to adjacent squared plus opposite squared. So that's where we derive that. So L squared is equals to r squared plus h squared. And if you want to find the exact value of L, that will be square root of r squared plus h squared. Let's solve the relevant examples given. A cone has a base radius 6 cm and height 9 cm. Calculate its curved surface area, and likewise its total surface area. I want you to take note that curved surface area is different from total surface area. So if you take note, this is the diagram. I've drawn it. This is your radius. This is your r, your radius, and this is your h. This is the height. The height will enable us to know how tall the cone is. So if I want to find my L now,
is the bedrock of humanism.
Is equals to r squared plus h squared. And don't forget that from here, our r is 6 cm, while our h is 9 cm. So we are going to have s squared to be equals to 6 squared plus 9 squared. Don't forget that 6 times 6 is 36. 6 squared simply means 6 times 6. And 9 times 9 will give us 81. So therefore, s squared, we are going to add it. 6 plus 1, that will give us 7. 8 plus 3, that's 11. Therefore, our L is equals to square root of 117. And by the time we press calculator to find the exact value of the square root of 117, the result will be 10.82. 10.82. Some of my learners used to make mistakes here. It's not called 10.82. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's very, very wrong. It's 10.82. You don't respect numbers after decimal points. So the next thing to do now is to find the curved surface area. So A, that is the curved surface area. Don't forget it is pi rn. So don't forget that our pi has a constant value, which is what? 22/7. So we are going to have 22/7 times 6 times 10.8. So we are going to multiply 22 by 6 by 10.8. And the result will be,
bring out your calculator and
1428.24. 1428.24 divided by 7. And by the time we divide, that will be 204.334, like that. So that's the answer.
I love the way facilitator Michael
So
Success
let's solve B,
teaches.
which is total
Mathematics is not
surface
for him. Who encourages
area.
me? I
Total
don't
surface
like
area
mathematics
is
before.
pi r in bracket of r plus s.
Now I
So don't
am
forget
Mary,
our pi is 22/7
mathematician. God
times
bless
6
you,
in bracket of
Mr.
6
Michael
plus
Success and
10.8
the Chosen One Learning
centimeter. So we are going to
platform.
have 22 times 6, that will be 132/7 in bracket of, by the time you add 6 and 10.8, you are going to have 16.8. So by the time we multiply 132 by 16.8, you are going to have 2220.4. 2220.24 over 7. And the result will be 317.18. You can round it off if you like to 317.2 centimeter squared. Then the last but not the least, that's the volume. The volume is equals to 1/3 pi r squared h. And don't forget that we are going to have 1/3 times pi is 22/7. Don't forget that. Multiplied by our r is 6, so we have 6 squared. Multiplied by the height, and don't forget that our height is 9 centimeters. So we are going to have V to be equals to 1/3 times 22/7. 6 squared will be 6 times 6. Don't forget. Multiplied by 9 centimeters. So we are going to multiply the numerators. So that will be 1 times 22 multiplied by 6, multiplied by 6, multiplied by 9. Then 3 times 7, which is the denominator, that will be 21. So let's use our calculator to multiply. That will give us 7,128. 22 times 36 times 9. That's the result that we are going to have. Then by the time we divide,
like the
we are going to
video,
have
comment, download, and share with your loved ones.
339.43 centimeter cube. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now, and make sure that you set on the notification button so that we are aware when we upload videos on this YouTube channel. And this channel is not restricted to mathematics only. We cover other subjects as well.
Here: English
Other
language,
facilitators also work here.
mathematics,
Thank you
physics,
for following us.
chemistry,
Make sure that you like the video.
entrepreneurship,
The Choosing One
economics, ICT,
learning
French,
platform
etc.
cares about you. But I want you to try this drill and put your answer in the comment section.
Show
A
it on
cone
the whiteboard
has
and
a
put your
base
answer in the
radius
comment section.
13 centimeter and height 11 centimeter. Find its curved surface area, find its total surface area, and the volume, the total surface
Thanks for
area
choosing us.
and the volume.
Check the shapes of a
Thank you.
cone, which are displayed at the end of this video.
To